Hello everyone, welcome to Dining Table Recipes. Today I'm going to make a simple and delicious snack. This is gonna be an amazing, delicious recipe. Everyone will love this, and especially children. This is called banana spring roll. First of all, I want to show you this spring roll sheets. You can find it easily from any supermarket. Here I have 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add little bit salt. Now add some water and mix it well. We want to use this mixture to bind the wrappers. After you mix it well, thickness should be like this. Now take 2 bananas and peel off the bananas. We need to cut each banana into 8 pieces. One piece should be about 3 inches. Next step, we have to coat these banana pieces with sugar. So we need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and then add half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix it well. Okay, let's make spring rolls. Take 1 spring roll sheet and take 1 banana piece. We have to coat it. Do it tightly. Spring rolls are ready now. You can garnish it with chocolate syrup. Try to make this simple snack and taste it. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching my videos. We'll meet with next episode.